tá a bá ń sọ fún àwọn tó wà nílé pé Nàìjíríà tí ẹni ẹ fẹ́ràn púpọ̀, ǹjẹ́ Nàìjíríà fẹ́ràn yín? Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo agbègbè tí a wà ní outside London yìí, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wo bó ṣe rí, ẹ wo títì tó gba inú àwọn oko tí ẹ̀ ń wò báyìí. Ìbéèrè tí mo wá ń bi ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ràn Nàìjíríà ni pé ǹjẹ́ Nàìjíríà fúnra rẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ ó fẹ́ràn yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ń ṣe fẹ́ràn Nàìjíríà? Nítorí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ìdí tí nǹkan ṣe yé yín ni pé ẹ̀ ń rò pé Nàìjíríà fẹ́ràn yín, ẹ love Nàìjíríà so much. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ woko tí ó wà ní inú abà yìí, ẹ wá rí i pé títì lẹ́ ń wò yìí, ẹ wo bó ṣe tà títì, right? Ẹ wo bó ṣe tà títì tó wọnú inú abà náà. Ṣé rí ẹ lè lọ sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ràn Nàìjíríà, but we all know that you don't love Nigeria because Nigeria has never been helpful to the farmers. Most of the farmers can no longer go to their farm for so many reasons, apart from the insecurity that has now enraged almost every part of the country. There's not also a very good road network that would allow you to bring the farm produce all the way out from the farm into the market. And that has been one of the biggest challenge. We have the governors, we have the local government, we have the federal government, and yet millions of Nigerians that would love to do the same thing going into farming cannot do so because one of the biggest obstacle is because you don't even have the road network that would eventually allow you to bring those produce from this farm back to where it becomes eatable on the shelves of different supermarkets across the globe. The more you continue to support one Nigeria, the question then is, how long do you want to compete with farmers outside Nigeria? How long do you want to wait to compete with young entrepreneur that wants to turn the farm produce into a finishing produce? Majority of the goods and the food and the different items that we are using in Nigeria is always imported into the country because of lack of the vision of the country called Nigeria. For you asking for 2023 is like you are trying to renew a debt trap that would not allow you to see electricity that has actually come into this farm. Then you can be able to say Nigeria is going to work, but the question we keep asking is, when is it going to work? Is it after you have died or you have become buried into the grave? Let us do everything possibly best to work hard for the self-determination that is not a crime. Let us do everything possibly best to ask the question, do you want to be in Nigeria or do you want to have opportunity just like so many countries around the globe and so many businesses that are flourishing because their country is stable, their environment is stable, and their government is doing everything possibly best to make sure that they have a better life. This is Koiki Media as we continue to bring the world closer to your doorstep. And if you look that far, you will see again the beautiful view we have similar in the location 9 in our Yoruba land. But the problem is, how many people want to travel on their own to so many remote areas of Nigeria today, knowing that the chances of being kidnapped or being killed by those the government is calling bandits, but these are people that are known as terrorists in the globe. Nigeria will remain and has to remain number 3 in the global terrorism index. And the reason why you are poor is because you cannot have access to good quality farm. This is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.